In the ever-evolving world of photography, Nikon has consistently been at the forefront, delivering innovative solutions that cater to both professionals and enthusiasts. The anticipation surrounding the Nikon Z90 is a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence. As the mirrorless camera market becomes increasingly competitive, the Nikon Z90 is poised to make a significant impact, offering a blend of advanced features and user-friendly design. Design and build quality. Ergonomics and aesthetics. The Nikon Z90 is expected to feature a robust yet lightweight design, making it ideal for photographers on the move. Drawing inspiration from its predecessors, the camera will likely boast a magnesium alloy body, ensuring durability without compromising on portability. The ergonomic grip and intuitive button layout are designed to provide a seamless shooting experience, even during extended sessions. Weather sealing. For outdoor photographers, weather resistance is crucial. The Nikon Z90 is rumored to offer comprehensive weather sealing, protecting against dust and moisture. This feature ensures reliability in various environmental conditions, from humid jungles to arid deserts. Sensor and image quality. High-resolution APS-C sensor. At the heart of the Nikon Z90 is a newly developed APS-C sensor, anticipated to deliver exceptional image quality. With a resolution expected to surpass previous models, photographers can look forward to capturing intricate details with remarkable clarity. Dynamic range and low-light performance. The sensor's design aims to enhance dynamic range, allowing for better detail retention in both highlights and shadows. Coupled with improved low-light capabilities, the Nikon Z90 is set to perform admirably in challenging lighting conditions, reducing noise and preserving color fidelity. Autofocus and performance. Advanced autofocus system. Building upon the success of the Z series, the Nikon Z90 is expected to feature a sophisticated autofocus system. With a high number of focus points and enhanced subject tracking, photographers can anticipate swift and accurate focusing, even on fast-moving subjects. Burst shooting and buffer capacity. For action and wildlife photography, the Nikon Z90's rapid burst shooting capabilities are a significant advantage. The camera is rumored to support high frames per second shooting, with a substantial buffer capacity to accommodate extended sequences without interruption. Video capabilities. 4K and beyond. Videographers will find the Nikon Z90's video features compelling. The camera is expected to support 4K recording at various frame rates, providing flexibility for different creative needs. Additionally, rumors suggest the inclusion of higher resolution recording options, catering to professionals seeking top-tier video quality. In-body image stabilization IBIS. To ensure smooth footage, the Nikon Z90 is anticipated to incorporate in-body image stabilization. This feature compensates for camera shake, allowing for handheld shooting without compromising on video stability. Connectivity and workflow. Wireless and wired options. In today's connected world, seamless data transfer is essential. The Nikon Z90 is expected to offer a range of connectivity options, including Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, facilitating easy sharing and remote control via compatible devices. USB-C support is also anticipated, enabling fast wired transfers and charging. Dual card slots. For professionals, redundancy is key. The inclusion of dual card slots in the Nikon Z90 allows for simultaneous recording or backup, ensuring data security during critical shoots. User interface and customization. Intuitive controls. User experience is paramount, and the Nikon Z90 is designed with that in mind. The camera is expected to feature a user-friendly interface, with customizable buttons and menus that cater to individual shooting styles. Touchscreen and viewfinder. A high-resolution touchscreen is anticipated, providing intuitive navigation and focus control. The electronic viewfinder, EVF, is also expected to offer a clear and responsive display, enhancing composition and review. Battery life and power management. Extended shooting sessions. The Nikon Z90 is rumored to feature an efficient power management system, extending battery life for prolonged shooting sessions. This is particularly beneficial for travel and event photographers who require reliable performance throughout the day. Optional battery grip. For those needing additional power, the availability of an optional battery grip is a welcome addition. This accessory not only extends battery life, but also improves handling, especially when shooting in portrait orientation. Lens compatibility and ecosystem. Z-mount advantages. The Nikon Z90 utilizes the versatile Z-mount, granting access to a growing lineup of high-quality lenses. This compatibility ensures that photographers can find the right lens for any scenario, from wide-angle landscapes to telephoto wildlife shots. Third-party support. The expanding support from third-party lens manufacturers further enriches the Nikon Z ecosystem, offering a diverse range of options to suit various budgets and preferences. Target audience and use cases. Enthusiasts and semi-professionals. The Nikon Z90 is tailored for photography enthusiasts and semi-professional users seeking a powerful yet accessible camera. Its feature set caters to a wide array of genres, including portrait, landscape, sports, and wildlife photography. Content creators and videographers. With its advanced video capabilities, the Nikon Z90 is also an excellent choice for content creators and videographers. The camera's performance and versatility make it suitable for vlogging, documentary filmmaking, and online content production. Market positioning and competitors. Comparison with peers. In the competitive mirrorless market, the Nikon Z90 is set to rival offerings from other major brands. Its combination of image quality, performance, and features positions it as a formidable contender against models like the Canon EOS R7 and Sony a6600. Value proposition. By delivering professional-grade features at a competitive price point, the Nikon Z90 offers exceptional value. This balance of performance and affordability is likely to attract a broad spectrum of users. Anticipated release and pricing. Launch timeline. While official announcements are pending, industry insiders suggest that the Nikon Z90 may be unveiled in the near future. The release is highly anticipated, with many eager to see how Nikon will further innovate in the mirrorless segment. Expected price range. Pricing is expected to be competitive, reflecting the camera's positioning as a high-performance yet accessible option. This strategic pricing aims to make the Nikon Z90 an attractive choice for a wide range of photographers. Conclusion. The Nikon Z90 represents a significant step forward in mirrorless camera technology. With its anticipated blend of high-resolution imaging, advanced autofocus, robust video capabilities, and user-centric design, the camera is poised to meet the diverse needs of modern photographers and videographers. As we await its official release, the excitement surrounding the Nikon Z90 underscores its potential to become a standout model in Nikon's esteemed lineup.